Large colorful bushes can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your home. The vibrant colors and lush foliage create an inviting and attractive front yard. Whether it's spring blossoms, summer blooms, or fall foliage, these bushes can keep your front yard visually appealing throughout the changing seasons. This video explores the 10 colorful, easy-to-care large bushes, with zoning information and growth details. If you like the content of this video, please drop a like to the video, and subscribe to House Talks channel for more interesting garden videos. Lemony Lace Elderberry. It will add instant color to your landscape. A bright lemon color foliage emerges in early spring, with truly unique look, and shows eye-catching white flower clusters. It is a great alternative to Japanese maples in areas where they can't be grown. A perfect contrast color foliage for darker background. It grows 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. Hardiness zones are 4 to 7, it prefers full sun to partial sun. Aucuba Japonica Hosoba. A stunning addition to shade area garden, for its large spearhead-shaped, variegated glossy leaves, with bright yellow spots all over its leaves. This evergreen contrast plant prefers shade areas of the garden. It reaches a mature height of 3 feet and a width of 4 feet. Its compact growth habit permits it to be an integral part of perennial beds as perfect backdrop, or a wonderful container plant for porch area. Hardiness zones are 7 to 9. Luyken Laurel. A flowering cherry laurel is a compact evergreen bush with glossy, medium green foliage, with a refined look on a dense, vase-shaped form. It is gardeners' favorite, for its stalks of fragrant white flowers appear in spring season, and dense dark green foliage for rest of the seasons. It prefers filtered sunlight to partly shaded area. It grows around 3 to 4 feet tall, and up to 5 feet wide. A perfect bush to add in front yard of the garden. Hardiness zones are 5 to 9. Wine and Roses Weigela. A deciduous shrub, known for its colorful foliage and attractive flowers. One of the distinctive features of Wine and Roses Weigela is its dark burgundy to almost black foliage. A wonderful contrast color bush to perennial garden bed. This Weigela produces clusters of trumpet-shaped, rosy pink flowers from late spring to summer. This cultivar typically reaches a height and spread of 4 to 5 feet, hardiness zones are 5 to 8, it prefers full sun to partial sunlight. Woodland Ruby Anise. It is prized for its attractive, aromatic, and evergreen foliage. Its new growth that emerges with a reddish tint, adding to its ornamental appeal, and later turns into glossy, dark green. It emits a pleasant fragrance. Anise Woodland Ruby grows to a moderate height of around 4 to 8 feet and has a similar spread. Certain pruning is required to maintain the shape of the bush. Hardiness zones are 7 to 11. Rhododendron, Roseum Elegans. A wonderful large bush known for its dark green, leathery leaves foliage, which provides an attractive backdrop to the vibrant rosy lilac flowers. It maintains its color throughout the year, offering year-round interest. It prefers to grow in partial shade. Its mature height and spread goes around 6 to 8 feet. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8. Golden Duchess Hemlock. A superb dwarf variety that nearly glows with golden yellow foliage on arching branches. This highly ornamental bush primarily valued in the landscape, or in the garden beds, for its interestingly mounded form, with attractive gold evergreen foliage. It grows 3 to 4 feet tall and spread. It is very drought tolerant, hardiness zones are 4 to 8. Autumn Carnation Encore Azalea. A wonderful bush to front yards of the home. Autumn Carnation is a specific cultivar of Encore azaleas, known for its beautiful flowers and extended blooming period. Encore azaleas are known for their ability to bloom in spring, summer, and fall, providing a more extended flowering season. Mature plant reaches a height and spread of 4 to 5 feet, creating a compact and well-rounded shrub. Hardiness zones are 6 to 9, it prefers full sun to partial sun. Pyrus japonica, Scarlet O'Hara. A broadleaf evergreen shrub, features drooping clusters white fragrant flowers in early spring. New growth of the leaves emerge orange to bronze color, but mature to glossy dark green, to continue the interest through winter season. Hardiness zones are 6 to 8. Matured growth shows 3 to 6 feet tall and 4 to 5 feet spread, forming a compact and rounded shape. Soft Caress Mahonia. A unique and compact evergreen shrub, known for its distinctive feathery foliage and architectural form. Soft Caress Mahonia produces fragrant, bright yellow flowers in fall to early winter, later that emerge in upright spikes. This Mahonia cultivar typically reaches a height of 3 to 4 feet with a similar spread, forming a compact and mounding shape. Hardiness zones are 7 to 9. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please do not forget to give a like to this video. For channel encouragement, I appreciate your support. Thank you.